Hello, this is Leo from Guangdong Hauqing Quality Testing Service Center Company. And our company offers the registration service and the testing service. Okay, because for China, according to China regulation, all cosmetics need to be registration or filed. So we can provide this kind of service. Also, we can provide all the testing service related to the registration. We have a microbiology lab. We also have a chemical lab and human safety lab. Also, we also have a toxicity lab. So it means that we can do all the tests to meet China regulations. Okay. Besides that, we can also provide service for overseas cosmetic manufacturers to tell them how to export their product into China market. To let them know China regulation and the testing related. And also, as we know that we see that in the past 10 years, China exporting is growing rapidly. And especially in the past 3 years, there is a very big growth. So we believe that there is still a big growth for the cosmetic to export to overseas. So we can also provide the service for our domestic cosmetic manufacturers to tell them how to meet regulation requirement overseas and what is testing needed.
For overseas customer, if I would like to bring my products here in China, what is the most concern?
Okay, the regulation.
Yep.
I think for the overseas manufacturers, the first concern is how China is regulating the cosmetic products. Okay, that's the regulation requirement. So because China regulation is a little bit different with the EU, with the South Asia, it's different. We have a registration requirement. So for the overseas manufacturers, they should know the requirement. We can provide this kind of service. Also, when they know this regulation, they also need to know the details. For example, what testing parameters need to be tested, and which lab is okay for those kind of tests. Also,
is animal testing required in China?
Okay. So I think the big difference for the cosmetic product testing between China and EU, the toxicity test, because China requires animal test. However, EU, forbidden animal test. So this is what our overseas cosmetic manufacturer needs to know. They need animal test for toxicity evaluation. Generally speaking, for the toxicity test, there are two kinds of toxicity test. One is the local test, whether it's it's bad for the skin. Also, we have a system toxicity test. It means that when the substances is going into our body, whether it's bad for the whole body. Okay, we can provide these two kind of tests.
Okay, let's go to the marketing point.
Okay,
so,
thank you.
In your own opinion and your experience, what is the most common problems in filing the products here in China?
You mean selling the product here? Okay. I think the biggest one the biggest challenge to selling a product in China is that China requires animal test. It means that but EU forbidden animal testing. So the overseas manufacturer need to think about which market I need to choose. If I choose China market, they cannot sell their product into EU. Okay. I think this is a dilemma for them. Sunscreen product is a very major product for in the cosmetic field. This product is sold, it's very popular. So people, when they go outside, they need this product. However, this product needs evaluation, sunscreen protection factor. It means that how good is this cosmetic product to protect the skin, to avoid the UV light harm. Still, I think the most important is that the regulation. The regulation is the first. The testing is behind. Testing is the next step. So our strength is that we know China regulation very well. Last year, our company has registered 1,500 products successfully. It means that only last year we have 1,500 products to place on the market successfully. Thank you.
谢谢。ขอบคุณค่ะ